So after opening up my transmission crankcase area here, I noticed that this washer here is bent, and it's kind of loose too. Actually, that's how loose it was, and so I managed to loosen this up earlier. I just want to show it for the purpose of this video that this thing is bent. It's a washer that goes in there. You can see it's bent right here, and then take that off. So you have to loosen the belt. Let's see how loose it up. Loose this pulley here, and when you pull it out, it seems like these teeth here are all grinded up right here. Probably will see it if you have a better light. Hopefully this camera will show that grounded up teeth that no longer gets into the axle here. However, the axle here has a little bit of a play, so I'm not sure if that is normal or not. But I think by replacing this pulley here, it will make it better, or make it tight when I put in the pulley back, the newer one, the new pulley back in. This bearing here, you can pull this out, and there's some kind of a bushing here that it's soft, but I'm afraid I don't want to pull that out because it might be some sort of a seal until I really determine that I need to replace the axle itself. The axle seemed like it's let me see if I can bring that a little closer. The axle seemed a little bit also grounded up. Let's see if I could remove the gear. See, all of this seemed like it's kind of grounded up there. When you put it on gear, it kind of has this play that I'm worried about too. Because if I put a new pulley in there and it still does this, and this is what the cause of this pulley to slip on these grids here, then I might have to replace the whole axle itself. Anyway, that's my dilemma right now, why I can't ride. So until that is replaced, until this one is replaced, and I'm pretty certain that this is the real cause of our problems here, why that clicking noise is, then we'll take it from there. Alright, well, hopefully that anybody who has this kind of problem on a Kawasaki Vulcan 2009 Classic, if they have a clicking noise from my previous video that I shared with somebody who took it, who has the same noise that I have, if they have experienced that kind of clicking noise or loud annoying clicking noise while you're just pushing the bike without any power on the engine or moving it, then this is the problem here, right here. Anyway, that's about it for now.